This course is English 101, Critical Thinking and Academic Writing. It covers how to analyze and evaluate arguments, whether you are reading them or whether you are creating them. It is a summer course. It's 10 weeks instead of 15. It's the same amount of material in those 10 weeks, so you will have multiple assignments due each week. The course runs from May 18th through July 26th. I do want to show you very quickly where you can access the syllabus for the course so that you can take a look at the specific performance objectives that you'll be meeting in order to be successful in this course. So if you go under the table of contents into Getting Started and then under syllabus, schedule and policies, you can scroll down to syllabus. And this document will outline sort of the ins and outs. It's kind of a contract for the course. So it tells you a little bit about the course as well as the core course performance objectives and the measurable performance objectives that you will have to meet in order to demonstrate that you have mastered the material in this course. So hopefully that helps and gives you some idea of what we're going to be covering.